Hey guys, what's up? Finally got my new gear in the mail. I'm really excited about that. Bought from two airsoft stores, eVike.com and Airsoft GI. I recommend both. They have great prices and great stuff. So I'm really excited to share this with, whoa, big loss. But anyways, I'm really excited to share with you guys. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with the eVike box. Put this down. I got my trusty dagger that I bought with my uncle. Let's get cracking. This baby cuts nice and good. I sharpened it because it was pretty dull, and me starting to hunt now, when you gut something, you want nice and sharp. Nah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put it right in here, nice and comfy and cozy. My phone's going off. I don't care. So, beautiful stuff. Alright, I'm gonna come in the shade. I am dying right now. So, what I have here is a Condor jacket, the Condor Phantom shell jacket. I have the NC Star battle belt, black, as you can see, full pistol belt. I got drop pouch. Always gotta have a drop pouch, everyone. Gotta have a place to put your mags. I got a right-handed, right side drop leg shell, hard shell pistol holster. Some Condor tack pants, really nice. Definitely gonna have to get these hemmed for my little legs. Three dual M4 magazine holders, and I am really excited that I got all this stuff. I am waiting for a chest rig, because that's all a totally different BDU outfit that I purchased for just retro pickup games. So, and then this is my Milsim pickup games and other tournaments. Alright guys, so now moving on to the Airsoft GI box. This is my first purchase from there, so I'm really excited to see how well their stuff comes, because eVike has been pretty good to me. So I'm really hoping all this audio is getting to you, because I am outside in my backyard. It is hot as hell out here. Woo-wee. I don't know why I decided to put on this stuff, but I am in my backyard, everyone, so I'm hoping that all this speaking is getting to you. If not, I will put subtext in by reading my own lips. Anyways, from Airsoft GI, this came free. Airsoft GI, I like the logo right here. Wear this probably just everyday randomness. Just everyday randomness. Lots of Airsoft GI papers, yes, got it. Anyways, so what I got here is the never mind. Oh no. Yes. What I have here is the dual M4 mags for my new chest rig. I have 2 of them. This is all OD green. I have I'm trying to think of what else I purchased. I don't know, I'm drawing a blank right now. Something. If I remember it, I will get back to you guys on that. I got new knee pads for my knees. Gotta protect my kneecaps. Plus, they're good for sliding. I've done it before, really fun. But you gotta protect the knees. I got new, brand new revision goggles for my eyes, or I might just use these. But you know, going with my whole theme, I decided to go with goggles. Ooh. Oh, this is from AIM Sports. It is my new scope. Really super excited to show you guys this. Oh, this feels like the real deal. I will do a totally separate video on this because I'm going to take so much time just talking about it. So I'm going to put this back in if I can. Come on. I don't want to break it though. So I'm just, oh, there we go. It's in papers, yes. Everything has to do with papers these days. You know, you gotta fill them out, you gotta look at them, you gotta do work on them. Anyways. What I have here is, I believe, now I remember. This is my dump pouch. Got it, you guys. Haha. Anyways, dual pistol mags for my new chest rig. And here is, come on, baby, my new Pantech chest rig. It is a medium, so yes, it is going to be big on me. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. But let's go inside. Woo! I'm dying. I'm dying. Now that we're inside, much cooler. But I don't know about you guys, but I think this loadout looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's just the chest rig on right now, but I'll let you guys see what I have. I have my ACU camo shirt, pants, Marines combat pistol belt. I have a Crossman ACU Colt 1911 pistol holster. I do have my Spring 1911. I use that mainly for like accuracy practice, target practice and stuff. I do have my new Condor knee pads on right now, so, but I adjusted this. It does fit a little bit better. I am thinking of buying the stuff that you put into the chest rig to make it seem more realistic, because right now it feels just a little flimsy. But I know that once I get that new stuff in there, it will feel awesome and it will feel like the real deal. But I got some stuff to put on the chest rig, so let's go do that. But so now that we have our chest rig, we have stuff to put on the chest rig, let's start leaving some good old molly. So what I have here is the dual M4 pouch. It can hold about 2 M4 magazines. But as you can see, I already undid this ahead of time and unpacked it. you have 4 of these, and what you do, if you don't know how to do Molly, is you slide it on through these little hole seeping things, and you do that for each one of them. So let's get to it. You kind of want to do them all at the same time, or else they will slip out. So, and it takes a lot of time and effort. So, I think it's time to speed this up. Awesome Molly weaving goodness. Because it's America. America. Alright guys, well, now that I got my Molly weaving done, this feels more like a chest rig, you know? I got my M4 pouches ready to go. Yep, I do have a G36 pouch in here, only to stretch it out and get its good, goodness, I guess you could say. I will be switching over so that these guys can get stretched out and be ready for battle, but I feel good, you know. I got my dump pouch right here, so when I'm done with the max, I can just throw them right in there. That didn't work as I hoped it would, but pretty damn close. But you know, hey, you know, I also want to see what my other gear would look like. Well, alright guys, so what I have here is my e-bike custom made Army of Two 40th Day Rios metal skull, full face protection mask, mesh for the eyes, little holes for the mouth and nose so I can breathe, so I can see through it. Really reliable, breaks BBs right as it hits, so it'll be ping. It's really good. I have the, I'm gonna put this on my head because I like how it looks. I'll talk with it on anyways. I have the NC Star battle pistol belt. I have dual M4 high speed ready holsters on both sides. I have the Phantom Shell jacket. It's really nice. I like it. It's kind of like a windbreaker North Face combined. Keeps you really warm. I'm actually burning in this, but that's okay. I have combat pants, which have a lot of like regular pockets, mag pockets, which I'm actually keeping my phone in right now. This is all black just because it's gonna be in like used in night games and or just pickup games. I have a black U.S. Flag patch. I have another one over here. I have the United States Marine Corps patch right here. I did pre-order the new Matrix chest rig, so I am waiting on that. I do have some more of these high-speed M4 mag holsters. I don't really know what they are. I blanked out a lot. I'm sorry guys. It is really late. But I have another pair of these to go on my chest rig that I'm waiting for. But other than that, that's it. Oh, I have my skull belt, which I could actually probably switch out these two belts. But the belt has bullets on it. I don't know if you can see those little silver things. Probably not, because of the mags, but it has bullets on it, in it actually. So yeah, I could probably take those out and use them for my revolver bullets. But anyways, that's this loadout, and I'm really excited to get out and get airsofted. All I'm waiting on is for my helmet, my new chest rig, my M4, my M9, and my new Luger that I have just purchased. So can't wait to get that stuff in. And then I also have new revision goggles for my helmet, which I will do a review on when I get my helmet and stuff. So that will be for another day. So thanks guys for watching. Really glad you guys are watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I'm not that big in like making videos, I know. So, oh, and I forgot, I have my pistol holster, which I use my Lone Wolf pistol. I don't really know the name. I just know it's a Lone Wolf pistol. It's really nice. It's a green gas blowback. So this is a hard shell pistol holster, drop leg pistol holster. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my videos. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see some more. Alright? See you next time, guys.